In today's video, we will present how to change the windshield wipes in an Opel Meriva. We will show step by step how you can do it alone in the home. Let's go, my Meriva. Okay, we go there where is the windshield wipes, and we take away this one, the cap, and these two, both of them. I will show you now. I have loose and tied already. It has a screw. You will need 13 millimeters for this to lose it. I will show you now. And then you can pull out the windshield wipe. You will need this tool. I don't know how to explain it in English. Sorry for my English, my friends. We're Greek, we speak English but not very good. Yes, you come here with this tool, you lose this bolt, you take it off, okay. You be careful not to lose them, this one, the one and the other from the other side, and here. And we come here, we have opened the hood, we be careful not to scratch the window, and we push here like that, and we pull out the windshield wipe. I will color paint them to refresh them, because from the years have the color discoloration, and I will let them to dry and I will put it again in the car in their position. I will do the same job. Put this here, and with the special tool, it's not very special because it's a simple tool, you will tie the bolts. Okay, my friends. Now we came here, we peel out the windshield wipes. We will prepare it with a little sand, with a water, with a sand water accessory. I will show you the number of the wallpapers, the sand wallpaper, excuse me for my English, and we will make the surface a lot of tougher and smoother, ready for painting. We will refresh the paint. It's not seems in the camera the condition, but it's faded from the years. It's about 12 years car, and this is the original windshield wipes, and after 12 years they are faded. I will refresh it with a black varnish paint, black gloss paint. Okay, my friends, I will take off the swipes, I will unlock it from here, and I will let only the metal for painting. Let's go. Okay, we come back and we will show you the paint we will use. It's a Morris paint, acrylic color spray, fast drying, anti-rust, high coverage, outdoor and indoor use. I have used it many times in many surfaces and do amazing job, my friends. This is the sandpaper we will use It's a P600 water sandpaper. With a little water you will do the surfaces like that. You swipe out till to have a little hardness ready for painting, to catch the color in the surface. Okay, my friends, now we're going to paint. Now I will show you how sand with the sandpaper the surface. Not very hard, not very push in the metal, only a light job. Just a little, to be more tougher the surface. We'll come here. We will start to paint the windshield white, the metal. Refresh the paint because it's faded with the years, after 12 years. In our Opel Meriva, we will refresh it and make it look better after that, like a new. And now we are going to put back again the stuff. And tighten them. We start to time them up. And we will put after the caps. We are putting the caps, the covers, and we are ready after that to go. Our windshield wipes have painted, have replaced it, and it's ready to go, my friends. Okay, we finished the putting back the windshield wipes, and now we'll test it with swiping the window. Everything works fine. Thank you, my friends, for watching this video how to replace the old windshield wipes, and we do in our home DIY the replacement of the windshield and painting the windshield wipes. Thank you, my friends. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos, lots of themes. We hope to see you. We say it in the next episode. Thank you very much, my friends, for watching. Like and share.